Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and welcome to another episode of Rose Reveals. Today's video, I'm gonna talk about my luxury wish list of 2021. First category in my wish list is handbag. There are only two brands of handbags that I want. First is Hermes Birkin or Kelly, size 25 and shade of pink. Yes, maybe light pink, something like that. Or silver or gold hardware is okay for me, as long as it's 25, Birkin or Kelly. Any leather, as long as it's not exotic. Second for the handbag is Chanel. I want a smaller size Chanel, maybe a mini or up small or the medium classic. It's just up to medium, the size, for the size. And then the color is maybe a white or a red. Yeah, white or red, that's it. And with gold hardware. The second category in my wish list are jewelries. And the first brand of jewelry is Van Cleef & Arpels. And the first one that I want to get from Van Cleef & Arpels is their 5-motif Alhambra bracelet in white mother of pearl and in yellow gold hardware. And I love their Alhambra collections, especially the 5-motif bracelet. The second one will be the gold 5-motif Alhambra bracelet also in a yellow gold or rose gold hardware. And then the third one will be the gold also ring, also the Alhambra ring in yellow gold or rose gold. And then the next brand of jewelry is the Cartier, which is the Justin Clue ring, the thin version. Another Cartier pieces in my wish list are the necklaces from their amulet collection. It's the white mother pearl and another one in malachite stone, and both in size small. And there's also another one from their Panther collection. It's also a necklace, and this one is my most favorite. It's very classy, elegant, timeless. It's the most luxurious necklace I've ever seen. And then the next one for jewelry is Chanel, the Coco Crush collection. I love their ring in a white gold. I love the Chanel's Coco Crush in white gold because their white gold is kind of glossy, like a shiny, unlike the Cartier that is matte finish, but the Coco Crush is shiny. It's a glossy finish. So I love Next for my jewelry is a tennis bracelet. I actually got one already, and I will unbox it with you. There you go. It's in this box. I'm excited. Dun, da, da, da. There you go. I'm kidding. I'm already wearing it. There you go. Okay. It's a 30 pointers, 41 diamonds, so total of 12.46 carat total weight. It's a GH color, PS clarity. It's crisp, it's white, it shines, it glitters. Okay, the next category in my wish list are watches. And the first brand of watch that I want to get is Cartier. It's the Tank Solo in stainless steel. Stainless steel, but in a leather strap. And I want it because it's light, it's small, and it's good for everyday wear. And the second brand is Rolex. It's the Oyster Perpetual. It's the color dial and in a stainless steel bracelet. And I want the pink or the yellow dial. It's just their entry level, but it's one of the most hard to get watches from Rolex. The next category in my wish list are shoes. And the first one that I want to get is from Gucci. It's the Princeton Mules. I actually bought one already. And it's this beauty here. Oh my. Here you go. I've worn this few times already and it's the most comfortable shoes and my favorite, most favorite right now. The next brand that I want to get is maybe from Louis Vuitton or Joe Vivier. It's the white sneakers. Another category is sunglasses, and I like the brand Gentle Monster. This brand is famous with most Korean celebrities, and I like the style Her in black or brown. It's called Her 01 or Her T1. The next category in my wish list are perfume. There are only two perfumes that I want, and from one brand. It's by Kilian. I actually bought them already. Some of my wish lists I already bought them, and it's this one. One of them is Roses on Ice. Look at that bottle. It's inspired by a liquor glass. It looks like a whiskey glass or any liquor glass. This is actually one of my most favorite. It's very good. It's light. It's fresh. It smells like beach. Like when you're in Boracay or El Nido or any beaches in Hawaii. That's what you remember when you smell this one. It's refreshing. It's really good. I like this. It's a spring summer fragrance. And another one is this. It's Angel Share. This is really the hype right now. It's kind of musky and vanilla. Yeah, definitely has vanilla in here. It's a fall winter fragrance. That's it, guys. That's all for today. Those are my wish lists for 2021. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This has been Rose. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah.